Seems like Tirolo's prayers are working for now. Umpumelelo finally realized he's not the prize here. He's just the enemy. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know the rules of the houses. Samana Pizza Vasala. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. On this one, we can say Tirelo, you show thanks Vuyoka's husband. So, guys, if you've been following Vuyoka's Tirelo and Swindi, you know that Tirelo, she was the one that was investing so much in this relationship. She's the one who posting, trying to be relevant, and people even warn her and say, come on, you're just a side chick, what are you doing, guys? The only thing Umpumelelo used to do used to post Tirelo whenever there was Izinganiza's temple, maybe something. But when it comes to Vuyokazi, he has a few pictures of Vuyokazi. So yesterday Osabelo posted this picture of Vuyokazi. One thing about it, Sabelo, he's the one who is leading in this relationship. He has been posting Vuyokazi. So he posted this beautiful picture with a beautiful message. A prayerful woman, as someone who regularly turns to God in a prayer and has a caring spirit. That's my wife, guys. Let me repeat that again. That's my wife, is showing some appreciation and love to Vuyokazi. Nkosi yami, this morning Umpumelelo Selek Ospindi Bulala Spindi Siyaphelisa decided to post his girlfriend Umamkhulu Mijolo, soon to be Mrs. Tirelo, Umpumelelo's wife, Tirelo, with a caption, a beautiful song, Yemaskandi Ngiyako. Dali, guys. The song says Uthando Lwakho, your love is hot. You know, a beautiful song, guys. I was like, yeah, ne. Sometimes this is advice to all the married women. You know, if your husband has a side chick or maybe your partner has another girlfriend, you must pray for that partner to find a good man or a good girlfriend so that you can never suffer. The moment when they find the right partner, you will see that your man will start loving you differently. Guys, I know this advice might not make sense, but just look at Mpumelelo. You know, the way Mpumelelo is appreciating Tirelo, guys. Even on last week when they were in the event, it was only Mpumelelo who posted Tirelo. If you go to Tirelo's Mpumelelo's Instagram, you will see Tirelo, guys, appreciating Tirelo. Tirelo, she just shared the pictures and then they disappear on the story time of Instagram. You know, it's more like a WhatsApp. After 24 hours, boom, gone. Tirelo, she's now the queen, guys. And thanks to Sabelo. I say Sabelo did it justice. Mpumelelo thought he's the prize. He thought there's no any man who's gonna love you, and seeing Vuyokazi glowing and being happy. That's when it makes him realize that, you know what, I mess up. Even though he did not love Vuyokazi, or maybe he did love Vuyokazi, we don't know. But now he's growing up realizing that if I'm gonna lose Tirelo, imagine, guys, Izingane is this temple without Tirelo. Come on, guys, it's gonna be a mess. So right now, Umpumelelo has no choice to keep Tirelo, guys. Yes, he will be cheating there and there, but when it comes to Tirelo, you might not make it. You might be Umpumelelo's girlfriend, but you never make it to to his Instagram page, guys. You know, all you can do is to expose him. I don't know if I'm making sense. Anyway, guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think, guys? Do you think it was Sabelo who made Umpumelelo realize that he's not the prize because he thought he's the prize? Because yeah, now we are konya, you know. But right now, Nkosi yami, Usabelo is showing Mpumelelo, you know what, something that we never thought. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself, guys. So be safe out there, guys. So don't forget it's not safe. Just take care of yourself. If you are going somewhere else, you know, alert your friends, your family for you to be safe. Guys, we love you. Yo, siyanithanda. Sifuna ukunibona nje kunzima Nkosi yami. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Bye.